this beautiful drive. The 10-month rainy season is finally taking a break. Beautiful sunshine, farmland out here, lots of barns and fields and farms and trees. It is a beautiful drive out here. Enjoying the old Corvette too. Good morning! All right, well, we're making our way to the show. Follow on a 70 SS 454 Chevelle. Ahead of that, we got the George Burns red El Camino. Big cube, big block, lots of compression, race gas on slicks. Yes, slicks are legal here in Oregon, as far as I know. Pretty impressive. George goes to back that El Camino out of the shop. The reverse lights even work on that thing. It's not a race car. Good times out in the country. Old cars. Cobwebs removed. Here we are. Look at this. 7:32 a.m. and this place is already hopping. All right, a quick walk around on this beautiful 55 Chevy. Small block, 12 bolt. It's got the nice original looking interior, Halabrand style mag wheels. It is straight as a pin. Chrome is perfect. We're in love with this thing. It's just right. Nice little small block. Probably runs out awesome. John Asman, 66 Chevelle. Just picked this thing up. Small block, ladder bar, 9-inch, race car, and look at that. It's a 3-pedal car. It's got a Lenco in it. Hope to see this out at Woodburn soon. All right, we have got a fine example right here. Convertible Chrysler 300. Beautiful black interior, straight as a pin, and the giant trunk. Not necessarily a big Mopar fan, but this thing is clean. This one is for my favorite Camaro owning neighbor. He's got one similar to this that he calls Spicoli. The Fast Times at Ridgemont High Spicoli. 77 Camaro Z28. Here we have one of the pinnacles of classic cars. 1963 Corvette split window. The sign says it is a numbers matching, all original drivetrain in this thing. 4-speed, beautiful blue. That's a nice car. This is a different kind of Wheels Up Wednesday. Oldsmobile Lowrider. got the wire wheels hanging that left front tire. Here's a G-body for you. Cutlass Supreme. It's got the treatment on the roof. Metal flake. Alright, this one's for Tom and Jamie. 69 Mach 1. Blue with white interior. It's got the wing. It's got the louvers. It's got the Mach 1 styling and stripes. Automagic. Tilt wheel even. Very cool. Shaker hood. Yep, Bo and Luke are here. It's a place to be.
That's right, I think you told me.
This one from the Maisel camp. Cool old Nova wagon. Stock interior. It's got the cooler in the back. Period correct cooler. This thing's nice and it sounds mean. It's a 6, but it kind of sounds like a V8. I mean, look what's here. Blown 55. Tunnel ram big block Willys. And here we have, for the Kozliks, another 69 Mach 1 with white interior. Automatic again. It's got all the stripes. It's got the spoiler. All the goods. All right. Beautiful. 47 Ford. Burgundy paint. It's got the big wheels on it. Really nice interior. Love the old dash. No padded dash in these years. Really cool back end on these fat fenders. Yep. 1947. All right, this one is for my buddy Scott. 64 Falcon. Kind of a burgundy color, automatic. It's got all cool gauges. Big old Willwood brakes under there. It's a 5-liter V8. Very nice. Of course, I gotta walk by the silver 69 Camaro. Houndstooth interior, automatic, cowl hood. Look at that, 454. And it's got the RS SS treatment. Pretty. All right, another 55, satin black. Looks like a playa. It's got the line lock button on the shifter. Stick car, small block. Heard this one pulling in, it sounded good. One of the infamous wing cars. This one with a Hemi. Dodge Charger. Automatic on the column with tan interior. Business on the inside and a party on the outside. Hemi. Cool cars need a good name. This one's called Betty. 440 Mopar, the automatic. Very cool. All right, we're going all the way around this one. Chevrolet Apache pickup. Big window. Fleet side. I love the color combo. Sits just right. It's got all the treatment. Really nice interior. Gorgeous. Looks like oak. Wood bed. Nice treatment. It's got the tailpipes tucked there in the roll pan. Beautiful truck. Look at this thing. Slammed 32. Ford pickup. It's got the satin. It's got a little bit of red trim here and there. Oh, fuel cell in the back. Yep, big tack. It's got a tri-power small block under the hood. It's a little different. Very nice. All right, if you're still out there, this one is for Mary Beth Blakely. Mary Beth Blakely drove a Monte Carlo SS 454 in the mid-70s. Looks similar to this one. This one's a little lower, but that was one bad car. Got to ride in that a few times as a kid. Cheers, Mary Beth. Simplicity at its finest. Look at this. 55 Bel Air, 2-door post, set of Kragers on it. You can't go wrong. All right, this one is for my sister Joy. Look at this thing, orange Carmen Ghia. I don't see a sign in the window, but it's like a, oh, 75. Look at that, it's right on the license plate. Pretty slick, convertible top. I wonder if it has the automatic transmission. Pretty cool. All right, something imported. 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. This thing, oh, it's for sale. 37.5. Here's the number. I see no flaws. This thing is very nice. Let's check it out inside. Oh yeah. Stick shift, AM radio, all the comforts, and sunroof. Check this thing out. Tri-power, 6-banger, 1 buzzing, half dozen. GMC. Beautiful. Look at that rear bumper. Yeah, good stuff. And a little bit different. Not just another small block Chevy, but a tri-power straight 6 tucked under the firewall. There's no shortage of Fords at these events. It's cool to see something different. International pickup. This thing is nice. Love that color combo. It's clean all the way in and out. Another one from the camp of Maisel. This gasser. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stick car. Too nice to race. Beautiful muscle car, 340 CUDA, and the pistol grip 4-speed. Super cool. All right, the Pinto. Brian's favorite car here, as seen in the next clip. Pretty cool Pinto, 72 runabout with the big V8 swap. These things don't weigh anything. That must be a fun car to drive. Got to do the tip clip while we're here. Just installed those last night. We're getting ready to wrap it up here. Cascade High School car show. This is one tiny slice of what is here. Lots of cars. Really good show. Got to get here early. All right, we got the fleet over there. We got George and Brian right here. We're wrapping up the Cascade High School car show. Or at least I am, because I got to get home. So, Brian, favorite car?
My favorite car?
Yeah.
Mine? No.
Okay.
Fair enough.
As it should be.
Yeah, right.
Come on.
The Pinto.
All right, the Pinto. You like the Pinto?
I did like the Pinto.
Well, I'm gonna have to go get that
You're gonna
Pinto
have to
then.
get it.
All right. What about you, George?
The black 55 with the white roof.
Okay. We're in love with this thing. Okay.
I love that car.
Yeah, we are aligned. Without talking, I was going to pick the same car.
Really?
The first one that's on the video, so they will have already seen that.
I told these guys I was drawn to it because of the color scheme. Was the original color scheme of my uncle's 55 Chevy. The Top Gun 55. That's the original color scheme. So I was drawn to it when we pulled in. Then when we went and looked at it, it solidified it because it is gorgeous. It's perfect. The only thing that car needs is a clutch pedal.
Yep.
And it would be the perfect car.
It's got everything, and it's straight as a pin.
Yeah.
So very nice. Yeah. So okay. The Pinto. All right, I'm gonna have to go get that Pinto. Yeah. Good times here. So any tips for people coming to the show?
Get here early.
Early.
Don't listen to Brian. Get here early.
Like 5 a.m. or something?
Yeah.
5:30.
Yeah.
What time did we roll in here?
7:40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this place was
Packed.
hopping.
Yeah, it was
So,
pretty packed. And
yeah.
there's what, 350 cars, I'd say,
Yep.
right in there.
Yep. So really good cause. The seniors here at Cascade High School.
They got food. They got silent auction, vendors.
Huge silent auction.
Right.
Really good group. Very organized show. Good times. And a great variety here.
Yeah, there is.
So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Share.
Yeah, share too.